Ladies and gentlemen, sometimes life doesn't change in one big moment. It changes slowly, silently, every single day. The truth is, you don't need to take a giant step to become a better version of yourself. You just need to take one small step, again and again, every day. Change doesn't always happen in loud, dramatic ways. Most of the time, it begins quietly, with small, almost invisible steps. When we think about growth, we often imagine big achievements, sudden success, or major transformations. But the real magic lies in the everyday choices we make. Each small action, when repeated over time, shapes who we become. Just like drops of water can carve a rock over years, small daily efforts build strong, lasting change in our lives. When you decide to take one small step every day, you give yourself the power to grow without pressure. It may be something as simple as reading one page of a book, waking up a few minutes earlier, practicing a skill for a short while, or replacing a negative thought with a positive one. These may seem like tiny, almost unimportant actions, but they add up in ways you can't imagine. The key is consistency. A single drop of rain does not make a river, but continuous drops can fill oceans. Similarly, one small action may not change your life overnight, but repeating it daily has the strength to create lasting transformation. The problem is that many people give up because they expect results too quickly. They start something new, and when they don't see change within days, they think it's not working. But true development takes patience. Just like a seed doesn't turn into a tree in one night, personal growth takes time, care, and daily attention. It's the quiet commitment to keep going, even when no one is watching, even when progress feels slow. Those small steps are like invisible bricks, building the foundation of a stronger you. There will be days when you don't feel like doing anything, days when motivation is low, energy is missing, and life feels heavy. In those moments, remind yourself that you don't need to take a giant leap. Just take one small step. Do something simple but meaningful. Growth is not about doing everything perfectly. It's about not giving up completely. Even the smallest effort keeps your momentum alive. Over time, those small efforts multiply, creating big results that once felt impossible. Think about how habits are formed. No one suddenly wakes up as a great speaker, artist, athlete, or leader. It happens through daily practice. A singer trains their voice every day, not once in a while. A student learns by studying regularly, not only before exams. A person who wants to change their mindset works on it daily, slowly replacing old patterns with new ones. That's how transformation happens, through quiet, repeated action. Another beautiful thing about small daily steps is that they are less intimidating. Big goals can feel overwhelming and scary, making us delay or avoid starting altogether. But small steps are manageable. They give us confidence. When you complete a small task, your mind feels a sense of achievement, and that feeling motivates you to keep going. Slowly, the steps that once felt small start leading you to places you never imagined you could reach. It's also important to understand that these steps don't need to be the same for everyone. Your journey is unique, and your daily actions should match your personal goals, dreams, and ability. What matters is not how big the step looks from the outside, but how meaningful it is for you. Some days your step might be bold and strong. Other days it might be gentle and quiet. Both matter. Both move you forward. Over time, the world starts to notice what you've been building in silence. People may call it sudden success, but only you know it was the result of many quiet days, small decisions, and simple actions. That's the power of small daily steps. They work silently, but their impact becomes loud and clear with time. Many people spend their lives chasing perfection, thinking that they need to be flawless before they can feel proud of themselves. They wait for the day when everything falls into place, when every skill is mastered, and when no mistakes are made. But the truth is, perfection is not the goal. Progress, growth happens in the space between who you were yesterday and who you are becoming today. It's not about reaching some unreachable ideal. It's about moving forward step by step, learning as you go and improving with every experience. Perfection creates pressure. It makes people afraid to take the first step because they fear failing. It whispers that if something isn't done perfectly, it isn't worth doing at all. This mindset can trap you in hesitation and doubt, stopping you from even starting. Progress, on the other hand, gives you permission to be human. It reminds you that mistakes are part of the journey, that learning takes time, and that effort matters more than flawless results. When you focus on progress, you stop punishing yourself for not being perfect and start appreciating the growth that is already happening. Every skill, every habit, and every dream begins imperfectly. A writer's first draft is messy. A speaker stumbles in their early talks. An artist's first painting is far from a masterpiece. Yet, each attempt builds experience. With every try, you learn something new. You understand your strengths and weaknesses better. You develop resilience. Slowly, those imperfect attempts turn into strong abilities. It is through progress, not perfection, that you shape your character and your craft. When you shift your focus to progress, you also become kinder to yourself. Instead of criticizing every flaw, you learn to see your effort as valuable. You understand that even a small step forward is worth celebrating. You stop comparing your journey to someone else's highlight reel and start acknowledging your own improvement. This mindset doesn't make you lazy, it makes you stronger. It builds confidence because you no longer rely on achieving some impossible standard to feel good about yourself. Progress is measurable in many quiet ways. It can be seen in how you handle challenges better than before, how you react more calmly in difficult situations, how you keep showing up even when things are hard. Sometimes progress is visible, like a clear achievement or a new skill mastered. Other times it's invisible, like a shift in mindset or an increase in inner strength. Both kinds of progress are equally important. They work together to help you grow into the person you are meant to be. Perfection focuses on the destination, but progress values the journey. It teaches patience. It allows space for growth, mistakes, and learning. Life is full of unexpected twists, and perfection can't survive in such an unpredictable world. But progress can. It adapts, it moves, it keeps evolving. When things don't go as planned, progress encourages you to adjust and continue instead of giving up entirely. It keeps your spirit flexible and determined. Another powerful part of focusing on progress is that it builds momentum. When you aim for perfection, every mistake can feel like a wall blocking your path. But when you aim for progress, every mistake becomes a lesson that pushes you further. Each bit of learning, no matter how small, adds up. Over time, those small improvements turn into major transformation. People who keep progressing may not look perfect, but they are the ones who grow stronger, wiser, and more capable with each passing day. Perfection often belongs to the world of imagination, but progress belongs to real life. Real life is messy, unpredictable, and full of opportunities to learn. If you wait to be perfect before taking action, you'll keep waiting forever. But if you focus on progress, you'll keep moving forward no matter what. That is how real change happens, not through flawless moments, but through steady, imperfect, genuine growth. Every new day brings with it a quiet, powerful gift, the chance to begin again. No matter what happened yesterday, today offers a fresh page, a new opportunity to make better choices, to grow a little more, and to become a stronger version of yourself. Life moves forward one sunrise at a time, and each day holds possibilities that can shape your journey in ways you might not even imagine. Growth doesn't only happen in special moments. It happens in ordinary days through consistent actions and mindful decisions. When you wake up in the morning, it's easy to carry yesterday's failures, disappointments, or regrets with you. But holding on to them only makes the present heavier. A new day allows you to leave behind what no longer serves you and focus on what you can do now. It reminds you that you are not defined by one bad day or one mistake. What truly defines you is your ability to rise again, to take another step, and to use the new day as a platform for growth. Every sunrise is like life giving you a gentle push, saying, "Here is another chance." Growth is not a one-time event, it's a daily choice. Each day gives you moments to learn something new, to correct a mistake, to start a good habit, or to stop a harmful one. Sometimes these opportunities are big and obvious, but often they are small and quiet. It could be a conversation that teaches you something, a decision to respond with patience instead of anger, or a few minutes spent doing something that makes you better than you were yesterday. These moments may seem simple, but they slowly build your character and shape your future. People often underestimate the power of a single day. They postpone change, telling themselves they will start tomorrow or next week. But when tomorrow comes, the same excuses appear again. What they forget is that change always begins in the present. Every big transformation starts with a single day, where a person decides to do something differently. By recognizing the value of each new day, you stop waiting for the perfect moment and begin creating meaningful progress right now. It's also important to see each new day as a chance for forgiveness, especially self-forgiveness. Growth cannot happen if you keep punishing yourself for the past. You must allow yourself to reset. A new day means new energy, new hope, and new opportunities to align your actions with the person you want to become. It gives you space to breathe, reflect, and redirect your efforts toward what truly matters. Even if yesterday was full of failures, today can be full of lessons and strength. Every day has its own rhythm and challenges. Some days will be bright and motivating, while others might feel heavy and slow. But even on difficult days, growth is possible. It may not look the same as it does on good days, but showing up despite difficulties is also a form of growth. Sometimes it's not about achieving big things. It's about choosing not to give up. Every time you wake up and decide to try again, no matter how small the effort, you are moving forward. Another beautiful thing about daily growth is that it doesn't need to be dramatic to be meaningful. You don't have to completely change your life in a day. You just need to make small choices that align with your goals. Over time, these daily efforts build habits, shape mindsets, and create real transformation. Think of it like watering a plant. One day of care won't make it bloom, but daily nurturing will make it grow strong and beautiful. Your personal growth works the same way. When you see each new day as a fresh opportunity, you stop being stuck in the past and start building your future one day at a time. You begin to appreciate the power of ordinary mornings and simple decisions. You realize that the path to becoming your best self is not hidden in some distant future. It's right here in the choices you make today, in this very moment. Comparison is something that silently steals joy and slows down personal growth. In a world where everyone's life is constantly displayed, it's easy to fall into the habit of measuring your worth against others. You see their achievements, their talents, their moments of success, and you begin to question your own progress. But growth is a personal journey. It doesn't follow someone else's timeline, and it doesn't need to look like anyone else's path. When you stop comparing, you give yourself the space to grow in your own way, at your own pace, and with your own unique strengths. Every person has a different story. The challenges they face, the opportunities they receive, and the choices they make are all unique to them. Comparing your journey to someone else's is like comparing two completely different books by expecting them to have the same chapters. You may be on chapter 3 of your story, while someone else is on chapter 10. That doesn't mean you're behind, it simply means your paths are different. Growth happens when you accept where you are and focus on taking your next step, not on matching someone else's speed. Comparison often creates feelings of inadequacy. Instead of appreciating your progress, you start doubting it. You might ignore the things you've achieved because they don't seem as big as someone else's accomplishments. This mindset slowly eats away at your confidence and makes you forget the value of your efforts. It blinds you to the quiet victories and inner growth happening within you. When you focus too much on others, you lose sight of your own journey, and that can make you feel stuck even when you're moving forward. It's important to remember that people usually show the highlights of their lives, not the struggle. You might be comparing your behind-the-scenes moments with someone else's best scenes. They might have faced difficulties you don't see. Their achievements might have come after years of hard work that you weren't there to witness. Everyone's journey has ups and downs, but comparison often focuses only on the peaks, ignoring the valleys. This distorted view creates unnecessary pressure and takes away your peace of mind. When you stop comparing, you start noticing your own strengths more clearly. You become aware of the qualities that make you unique. Maybe your growth isn't loud or fast, but it's steady and meaningful. Maybe you have talents that others don't, and your path is meant to unfold differently. By focusing on your individuality, you give yourself permission to grow authentically. You stop trying to fit into someone else's mold and start shaping your own. Focusing on your personal journey also brings clarity. Instead of wasting energy worrying about where others are, you can use that energy to set your goals, improve your skills, and take action. This shift in focus brings calmness and purpose. It turns envy into inspiration. Instead of feeling threatened by others' success, you can choose to learn from it or simply celebrate it while staying true to your own path. This mindset builds confidence because it comes from self-awareness rather than external comparisons. Everyone has their own timeline. Some people achieve their goals early, while others take more time, and that's completely okay. Growth is not a race. It's not about reaching milestones before anyone else. It's about becoming the best version of yourself at the pace that suits your life. When you respect your own timeline, you free yourself from the pressure of keeping up with others. This freedom allows your growth to feel genuine and peaceful, rather than rushed and forced. Comparison is often rooted in insecurity, but when you start valuing your journey, that insecurity begins to fade. You realize that your worth is not determined by how you measure up to others, but by the effort, resilience, and progress you show every day. Letting go of comparison is not about ignoring others. It's about focusing on yourself with honesty and patience. It's about trusting that your path has meaning, even if it looks different from the rest. Consistency is the bridge between goals and results. It's not the occasional burst of motivation that brings lasting change, but the steady effort repeated day after day. Big achievements are built on small, regular action. When you choose to keep moving forward consistently, even when progress feels slow or invisible, you create momentum that carries you closer to your dreams. Consistency turns ordinary actions into powerful habits that shape your character and define your journey. Many people start with enthusiasm, but lose focus when challenges appear. They wait for the perfect wave of motivation to push them forward. But motivation naturally rises and falls. Relying on it alone makes growth unstable. Consistency, on the other hand, is like a quiet force that doesn't depend on emotions. It's the decision to keep showing up whether you feel like it or not. It's waking up each day and doing what needs to be done, even in small ways, because you trust the process more than your temporary feelings. Every meaningful skill or transformation is the result of consistent effort. A writer becomes great by writing regularly, not by waiting for inspiration to strike. A musician improves by practicing daily, not by playing only when they feel inspired. A person who wants to grow personally must make small but steady efforts, like learning something new, reflecting daily, or improving their mindset. These actions may seem simple, but when repeated over time, they lead to extraordinary change. Consistency gives strength to your goals by turning them into part of your daily life. One of the powerful effects of consistency is how it builds discipline. When you commit to showing up regularly, you train your mind to follow through on promises. Discipline becomes stronger than excuses. This doesn't mean you have to do everything perfectly every day. It means you stay committed even when things aren't ideal. Some days your effort might be big, and other days it might be small. But what matters is that you keep moving. This steady rhythm builds resilience and keeps you connected to your purpose. Consistency also removes the pressure of needing immediate results. When you focus on regular effort instead of quick success, you allow growth to happen naturally. You stop rushing and start trusting that every small action adds value. This mindset protects you from frustration when progress is slow. Growth is often invisible in the beginning, but consistent effort works silently, building strong foundations underneath the surface. One day the results that seemed far away become visible because you didn't stop. Another important part of consistency is how it strengthens self-trust. Every time you follow through on a commitment, you prove to yourself that you can be relied upon. This builds confidence and reduces self-doubt. You no longer depend on external validation because your daily actions become proof of your dedication. This inner trust makes it easier to keep going, even when challenges appear, because you know you've built a pattern of staying the course. Consistency doesn't mean avoiding change or being rigid. It means staying loyal to your goals while adapting to life's realities. Some days will be smooth, and others will be full of obstacles. But consistency allows you to keep moving through both. Even small efforts count. Reading 1 page a day, practicing for a few minutes, or taking one mindful step forward may not feel grand, but over time, they add up to something powerful. The habit of showing up becomes stronger than the temptation to quit. Over time, consistent effort compounds. Just like small drops of water can shape a rock, small daily actions shape your future. The progress might feel slow at first, but consistency turns it into unstoppable momentum. It transforms goals from distant dreams into everyday reality. This is why consistency is often more important than intensity. Anyone can work hard for a short burst, but real growth belongs to those who keep going, quietly and steadily, no matter how long it takes. In the journey of personal growth, it's easy to focus only on the big achievements and overlook the small wins that happen along the way. But those small victories are the real building blocks of lasting change. Celebrating little successes is not about arrogance or showing off. It's about recognizing your effort and giving yourself the motivation to keep going. Every step you take, no matter how small, is proof that you are moving forward. Acknowledging these moments creates a sense of progress that fuels your determination to continue growing. When people ignore their small victories, they often feel like they're not achieving enough. They compare themselves to others, or focus on how far they still have to go, which makes their journey feel heavy and endless. But when you pause and appreciate the small things you've accomplished, you give yourself the emotional strength to keep walking. This recognition doesn't need to be loud or public. It can be a quiet moment of self-appreciation, a simple thought that says, "I did something good today." That thought can change your mindset and keep you focused on growth. Small victories come in many forms. They might be finishing a task you were avoiding, learning something new, controlling your temper in a difficult moment, taking a step toward a goal, or simply not giving up when things got tough. These moments may not look significant to others, but they carry meaning for you because they represent your effort, discipline, and courage. By celebrating them, you remind yourself that progress is happening even when it's not dramatic or visible. Recognizing small wins also builds positive momentum. Motivation doesn't always appear from nowhere. It grows through action. When you achieve a small goal and take the time to acknowledge it, your mind experiences a sense of accomplishment. This feeling encourages you to take the next step, and then the next. Over time, this creates a chain reaction of progress. People who celebrate their small victories stay more motivated because they constantly remind themselves that their efforts matter and that they are capable of growth. Another powerful aspect of celebrating small wins is the effect it has on your mindset. It shifts your focus from what's lacking to what's improving. Instead of dwelling on how far the finish line seems, you begin to notice how much distance you've already covered. This perspective brings gratitude and positivity into your journey. It teaches you to value the process, not just the outcome. When you develop this habit, challenges become less discouraging because you've trained yourself to notice progress even in difficult times. Celebrating small victories also strengthens your relationship with yourself. It teaches you to be kind, patient, and encouraging toward your own efforts. Many people are quick to criticize themselves when they make mistakes, but slow to give themselves credit when they achieve something. This imbalance creates a cycle of self-doubt. By intentionally acknowledging small successes, you create a healthier inner dialogue. You begin to trust yourself more, because you see evidence of your growth in everyday moments. These celebrations don't have to be big gestures. It can be as simple as taking a deep breath and appreciating what you accomplished, writing it down in a journal, or sharing it with someone who supports you. The point is to give value to your effort. When you do this consistently, your brain starts associating effort with reward, making it easier to stay committed to your goals. This habit keeps your motivation alive during long journeys where big milestones may be far apart. Small victories also remind you that progress isn't always about giant leaps forward. Sometimes it's about small steps taken with persistence. These steps might seem insignificant in the moment, but they accumulate over time. Just like bricks build a wall, these little wins build a strong foundation for your growth. When you look back, you'll realize that those moments you celebrated quietly were actually shaping your journey in powerful ways. Recognizing them gives meaning to the everyday effort that often goes unnoticed. Many people spend their lives waiting for the perfect time to make a change, to follow their dreams, or to start improving themselves. They wait for the right mood, the right situation, the right amount of confidence, or the right set of circumstances. But the truth is, the perfect time rarely comes. Life doesn't pause for anyone to get ready. It keeps moving, and those who make progress are the ones who decide to take action now, even when things don't feel ideal. Waiting for the perfect time often becomes a way of avoiding discomfort, and in that waiting, valuable opportunities are lost. Every meaningful journey begins with a single decision to start. It doesn't matter if everything isn't perfectly aligned. What matters is the willingness to take the first step. When you delay action because you think conditions aren't good enough, you allow fear and doubt to grow stronger. You start imagining all the things that could go wrong, and those thoughts become heavier with time. But when you act despite the imperfections, you prove to yourself that progress doesn't require a flawless beginning. It only requires courage and consistency. Perfection is often used as an excuse. People say they'll start working on their goals when they have more time, more money, more energy, or more knowledge. But the reality is that none of those things arrive magically. Time has to be managed, energy has to be created through discipline, and knowledge grows through action, not before it. The people who succeed are not those who waited for the right time, but those who started with what they had, where they were, and improved along the way. They embraced the uncertainty and learned as they moved forward. The present moment holds more power than most people realize. It's the only time where real change can happen. The past is gone and cannot be changed, and the future is shaped by the decisions you make now. By taking action in the present, you set things in motion. Even if the step is small, it starts building momentum, and once momentum builds, it becomes easier to keep going. But if you keep waiting for everything to feel perfect, the starting point keeps moving further away, and the habit of waiting grows stronger. There will always be reasons to delay. Life will never be completely free of problems, distractions, or doubt. If you keep waiting for the perfect season to start, years can pass while your dreams stay locked away. The difference between people who grow and those who remain stuck is not that one group had perfect conditions. It's that one group decided to act despite the imperfection. Taking action now means trusting yourself enough to begin, even if the path ahead isn't fully clear. Starting before you feel ready also builds resilience. When you take action in less than perfect circumstances, you learn to adapt, to solve problems creatively, and to stay focused when things are tough. These skills become part of your growth. You discover that you are capable of handling more than you thought. This realization builds confidence that waiting never will. Confidence doesn't come before starting. It grows because you started. When you decide to act now, you also show commitment to yourself. You prove that your goals matter more than your excuses. Every small step taken today brings you closer to your vision. Even if you fail along the way, you'll be further ahead than if you had never started. Growth comes from moving forward, not from standing still and imagining a perfect future. By starting now, you create a chain reaction of improvement. You learn, you adjust, and you keep building on each step. Over time, these early imperfect steps become the foundation of something meaningful. Opportunities don't always announce themselves loudly. Sometimes they appear in ordinary moments, and if you're too busy waiting, you miss them. Acting now means being present and open to those moments. It means trusting the process, even if the path is uncertain. The perfect time is not some distant point in the future. It's the moment you decide to begin. Mistakes are often seen as something to be ashamed of, something to hide or run away from, but in reality, they are some of the most powerful teachers in life. Every mistake carries a lesson within it, waiting to be noticed and understood. When you learn to look at mistakes not as proof of failure but as opportunities to grow, everything about your journey begins to change. Mistakes show you where you need to improve. They highlight your blind spots, and they shape you into a wiser, stronger person. Growth is not about avoiding mistakes. It's about learning from them with honesty and courage. From the moment we start learning anything new, mistakes are a natural part of the process. A child learning to walk falls countless times before taking steady steps. A student solving problems gets many answers wrong before understanding the concept fully. A person learning a new skill struggles in the beginning, making errors and facing setbacks. None of this means they are weak or incapable. It simply means they are learning. Each mistake brings them closer to mastery, as long as they are willing to reflect on it, instead of giving up. This is how progress happens in every area of life. The fear of making mistakes often stops people from trying new things. They hesitate to take risks, to speak up, to explore unfamiliar paths, because they are scared of failing. This fear builds invisible walls that limit growth. But when you accept that mistakes are inevitable and valuable, those walls start to disappear. You allow yourself to step outside your comfort zone. You stop aiming for a flawless path, and instead focus on becoming better with each step. This shift in mindset turns fear into courage and hesitation into action. Mistakes also teach humility. When you face a setback, it reminds you that there's always more to learn. It keeps you grounded and open-minded. Instead of pretending to know everything, you become curious. You start asking questions, seeking feedback, and paying attention to details you might have ignored before. This humility doesn't weaken you, it strengthens you, because it opens the door to continuous learning. People who learn from their mistakes don't stay stuck in the same place. They grow, adapt, and evolve. Another important lesson mistakes bring is resilience. Every time you stumble and choose to get back up, you build inner strength. You learn how to handle disappointment, how to stay calm in the face of difficulty, and how to trust yourself even when things don't go as planned. Resilience is not built in moments of perfection. It is built in moments of struggle. The more you learn from your mistakes, the stronger your ability to bounce back becomes. This resilience is what carries you forward when the path gets tough. Mistakes can also offer clarity. Sometimes, making the wrong decision reveals what truly matters to you. A failed attempt can show you what needs to change, or what direction is better for you. Mistakes act like mirrors, reflecting your habits, patterns, and choices. When you look closely and honestly, you discover truths that success alone might not have shown you. This clarity becomes a guiding force, helping you make wiser decisions in the future. It's important to treat mistakes with the right attitude. Blaming yourself harshly or giving up after every setback only creates unnecessary pain. Instead, approach mistakes with curiosity. Ask yourself what they're trying to teach you. What could be done differently next time? How can this experience make you stronger? This kind of reflection turns mistakes into stepping stones, rather than obstacles. Over time, this approach builds confidence, because you begin to trust your ability to learn from anything life throws your way. Mistakes are part of every meaningful journey. They remind you that growth is not a straight line, but a path with twists, turns, and lessons. They shape your character, build your wisdom, and deepen your understanding of yourself and the world. When you embrace them fully without fear or shame, they become powerful tools that move you forward instead of holding you back.